Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display product SKU in total column in order section in my account page in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in my account page and then we are in order section. Now you see total column. So we are going to modify it and we are going to add product SKU in total column. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So we are going to modify total column and we are going to add SKU in total column. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. So in code, so this is our format. Now you see we added text item and then you see items. So for one product we are going to show item. For multiple product we are going to show items. Now go to my account page, order section. Now refresh the page. So this is our total column. Now you see total order amount for 3 items and then you see SKU. Now you see 1 item. Now go to next page. Now you see total amount for 2 items and then you see 2 SKU. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.